I come from a long line of sewers. My family comes from Puerto Rico, and as a child, everything was sewn. And it was a moment where we all sort of like were together, hanging out. I started sewing and I loved it. My name is Mari Hidalgo King and I'm a textile and visual artist. I studied fashion design at Parsons. I've always done art on the side and always had textiles as part of my material base that I would build things off of. So I've built things from paper, large form paper dresses, large laminates, recycled products, and that will just be the continued journey. My piece I'm excited to share with Frisco is called Valley of the Giants. It will be a 12-piece installation of inflatables. They reference the California redwoods and also human migration. They stand about 12 to 15 feet tall, each of them. It's for the observer to have fun with, take in, and be informed by their shapes. They're all custom shapes that are supposed to linger with you and see what those feelings call out from those shapes. As a sewer, creator, my favorite parts are when you see the lines connecting and matching up and how that looks through the glow of light. I'm proud of that, and I spend a lot of time to make sure that that works. And I also love the soft turns of the forms. I love how playful they are, and they're not anything specific, but I love those forms coming to life. What I hope visitors take away from this piece is a new way to see interacting with their environment with art. Hi, my name is Mari Hidalgo King. My piece is titled Valley of the Giants. I hope you come and enjoy the work at Nocturne at Grand Park in Frisco.